Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this grocery tote bag with wheels. This thing is so neat and so versatile because you don't have to just use it for groceries. You can use it for laundry, you can use it just to haul things around, and it holds up to 40 pounds. So really whatever you can come up with, it's within the 40 pounds and the size, this is the answer. So on the bottom here, it's super easy to put together. You do get 5 different wheels. So when you put on these wheels, they've got this little button right here. You just press in on that button and then it slides right in over the top of there. And then it makes it super easy just to stick on there and all of your wheels will then be ready. They are 360 swivel once you get them in there. Then we are ready to get it flipped over and try this thing out. So now we've got all the wheels on. This part's kind of just like a dolly in all ideas here. So once you get your wheels on, these parts right here, you have to make sure because it's folded down, you lock those in place so this will then stay upright. Then you can adjust your handle all the way up or down. So that's awesome. You can have that based on your height here. Then we have our tote bag. Now this is a nice bag that you can store so much stuff in. And it's waterproof. So if you did have to take your groceries home and it started raining, this will keep everything nice and dry. It is real deep. You've got some clear pockets here on the front. So if you did want to use it to store some stuff or whatever, you can actually write little notes, keep notepads, pens, whatever. And you also have little mesh containers over here that you can put a variety of different things, whether it's different groceries or your water bottle. You've got 2 really strong carrying cases on the side here. And to install it, all you've got is this nice little hard piece that you stick in the bottom, just so that way it has a support. It also comes with a nice nylon bag here that's got a drawstring on here. So if you did want to use that as an extra thing or put it on the inside, all of that is available to you. You have a nice zippered top. So you just double zipper across the top here and everything is in here ready to go. You've got 2 straps that do have a nice padding on them. And that way it keeps the water off too. So it has like kind of a sealer around it. And the back of it, it's kind of just like a suitcase. You've got your little thing here right here that just slides over the top of this to then keep this from falling off. So that just slides right over. And then they have little straps underneath of here as well that you will just Velcro on to the base of it to keep everything nice and sturdy. So I'm going to bring you in here so we can take a look at how to do all this and put it to use. So here this is up close. You can see the water resistant fabric here all around, just built really nice and sturdy. Then on the bottom part, we're just going to flip it up. You can see you've got a little Velcro strap here. We're just going to loop that in the little provided hole and get that cinched on. So that way that is not going anywhere. And then we will do the same thing to the other side. So everything is nice and ready. When you put on your 40 pounds worth of weight, this bag is going nowhere. So now I've got this all set up. So if I did have a lot of stuff to carry, easily just slides down in there, cover it up, and you are ready to go. This thing wheels around really good on carpet. Like I said, it's got your 360 swivel on there. Whenever you're done, you can just easily unvelcro this bottom part, pull it off, and you've got everything together with you. So this would help so much if you were going grocery shopping and you need your groceries with you. You got a big house, you got to tote some laundry around, or just you want a little helper to help you carry your stuff. It's a nice little grocery tote that you can use all sorts of ways.